How to remove an effect from the story camera on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to remove an effect from the story camera on Instagram. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Instagram application on your device. Make sure to log in and sign in to the particular account. Now you have to simply swipe from left to the right in order to access your story camera. Now at the bottom center you'll see the sorter box, and next to it you will see different kinds of filters. Simply we need to swipe from left to the right in this way and choose the effect that you want to remove on Instagram. After you have selected, you need to select the name of that filter or effect at bottom of the screen. Now a menu box appear where you have to scroll to the bottom of the screen and select remove effect option. Tap on it and then tap the remove option. So that is how we can easily remove an effect from the story camera on Instagram. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.